How to change currency on Amazon shopping app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Amazon shopping app. This is the home page as you can see. Now all what you have to do is go down here, click on those three lines. Now click on the settings option, the second one right here. As you can see, now click on country and language right here. And here you go, you will find the currency option right here. Click on it and choose any currency you want from here. So easy and fast. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.